to the scribed line, ensuring you don't go past the line. You will notice one of the benefits of the scribing tool is that the laminate does not chip past the scribed line due to the scribing tool blade creating a break in the surface. Now the bench top is replaced to show the perfect fit. Here we see a 2-pack painted kick rail front is being fitted to a timber floor. The kicker front is placed on the floor and set in a level position. Again, the blades of the scribing tool are set to the amount required to be trimmed off. The scribing tool is then held at 90 degrees to the kicker front. Slide the tool across the floor to mark the entire length of the part. It is then trimmed with an electric planer. Once again, the paint does not chip past the scribed line due to the scribing tool blade creating a break in the surface. Now the kicker front is replaced to show the perfect fit. Scribing has never been so fast and accurate with a host of features. The scribing tool only needs one hand to operate, provides a flush join when fitting cabinetry, skirting boards and more, scribes internal corners with ease, works on laminate, painted surfaces, soft metals, stone, wood and more. We know you'll appreciate the value of having the Thingamejig precision scribing tool.
Ordinary screwdrivers all have the same problem. You have to hold the screw. Not anymore. The WORX SD driver with automatic screw holder holds the screws for you. Drive screws with one hand, even above your head or in hard to reach places. Keep up to 6 bits on board and switch between them with the slide action. It's all powered by a lithium-ion battery that stays charged for up to 18 months. Need an extra hand? You've got it. The WORX SD driver with automatic screw holder. Get yours today.
Here's a saw that has speed as its middle name. The Versacut by Rockwell lets you change blades one-handed.
I like the interchangeable blades the most. I like that I can take and cut any type of material and just change out the saw blade in a matter of seconds.
That means you can rip through different materials lickety-split. Its 4 amps are powerful, with a speed of 3,500 RPMs, but it doesn't weigh a lot, making it the one to reach for when you are on the move.
The Versacut is much more lightweight than the circular saw. It weighs about 4 pounds. It's a lot easier to maneuver around the house.
The base plate provides a clear view of where the blade enters the work, making tricky cuts much easier to see. Changing the depth of a cut is right on the side. For around $130, the saw includes 3 blades, a vacuum adapter, and a storage bag. And precision.
I like the laser beam. I like the fact that if you draw a line and it's not very clear, you have the laser beam there to back you up, and it makes a nice smooth cut.
Versacut's laser guide helps you get the right cut every time.